What's up, guys? Back in the garage. I will say not back in the garage, but start with some series of the fixing the BMW. It's in this state now at the moment. Yeah, we need to put the oil out, and here the spark plugs out, everything. What's basically what is happening is that the oil pan losing the oil, and by F20 it's a quite difficult job because you need to drop down subframe. I have 4x4. I need to put the completely differential down, change the differential oil and everything, and at the same time I will change also the bearings. I have it here. Oh, wait a second. So yeah, I will put ACL bearings inside to be safe. This is rod bearings. Of course, bunch of O-rings, new bolts, and all seals and everything. So yeah, quite a lot of things to order. Not because of parts or something, but special because of many tools and many special, yeah, I would say special tools, because you have E8, E20, E12 and E10, I believe, bolts. If you ask yourself how it looks, these bolts, it's like this. So I hope the camera focus. And yeah, this is one of then the main shaft is 17 imbus. And one thing what I will suffer is I need to hold the engine on because the engine is on a subframe. And if I remove the subframe, the engine will go down, which I want to avoid. So I buy this tool. So how I will hold the engine on? Here you have a screw, and with this screw you hold the engine on, and here inside actually goes the tow hook. But the tow hook, which have F20, it's quite big. It's really big. So I test from other BMWs, which I found it. On the end, I order F46, and this fits perfect. So like this I will start now, and yeah, I will do every day a little bit, so will be this couple of series because I don't have so much time. I work today. I was working 10 hours in the morning. I did my training on the road bike and so on, but I want to really do this project. I really like it. I really want to share it with you, and then that we drive it further with the car, go back to Nürburgring again, and yes, so stay with me and let's do the job. Engine is up, the oil already lose it. What is the next is that I will remove the wheels, I will remove the axles, I hope so, lose the oil and everything, and yes, we are further away. So as we can see here, I disconnect already everything. So from the rods, everything, I put oil already out. Now I put the anti-seize past, anti-seize spray, so that I get a little bit rust down, that I can lose the bolts. So we are quite, yeah, a lot of pieces. So we are in a good way. Let's see how far I come today. I suffer a little bit to put the drive shaft out. It's normally just you hit a little bit and then it pop up, but doesn't wanna pop out. So I need a little bit more force, and yeah, I will try to do it, and yeah, I hope that tomorrow can go the subframe down. I think that this could be quite good idea, and yeah, let's try to go a little bit further today, at least half hour, 1 hour more, and then till tomorrow. So day number 1 finish. So I still didn't fix it, so this is still a little bit in just provisorish, because it's still the bridge on. So the bridge is still on. I don't know if you see it. The cable for servo pump, but I disconnect already on the both side everything. Yeah, I hope that tomorrow go the bridge down. So this is the plan. All liquids are out, what need to be, so differential and the engine oil. So tomorrow or day after, I don't know yet, go the bridge down, and then go the oil pump down, then the oil pump down, then the blah blah blah. So yeah, because we will change also the rod bearings. This will be quite fun, but yeah, I hope that you like it how I do it, and that you go with me, because I really like to share. One thing I forget it, this seal here I will also change it here inside. So that is also one of the things what need to be done.